Alright, next we're going to take the hammer spring out along with the lanyard loop. On the regular P88s, you have this ring here. On the champions and the competitions, you lack the loop. So you're going to have to figure out a way to push the recoil spring inward and punch this pin out back here. I already went through it halfway because it is a nightmare to take off. So once you get that loose, you can simply just push the pin out. So like so. Alright, ready? And if you have to give it some taps, you can manipulate it. So I like to use this hammer. Just make sure to push down when you're doing this. There, the pin came out, fell on the carpet. And then while depressing this, you pull your punch out and slowly lift the pistol, and the lanyard loop will come out and the spring will come out.